Hey, so in this video, I'm going to share 10 high-paying online jobs that don't require a college degree. You can do these from anywhere in the world, and honestly, you don't even have to wear pants. Now, if you're interested in working from home, then you've probably already heard about certain jobs such as becoming a graphic designer or a virtual assistant, or even taking online surveys, but who wants to take a 30-minute online survey just to find out that they don't qualify? So this video is going to cover some realistic, high-paying online jobs that you can take advantage of right now. And make sure you stick around till the end of this video. I will be sharing 2 bonus online business ideas. Good news, I don't have anything to sell you today. I'm just trying to help people and provide free information. What I do ask is that you drop a like to stimulate the YouTube algorithm, and if you're interested in videos covering online business, personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship, make sure you subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate all the support. Also, please leave a comment if you have any experience working any of these jobs I'm about to mention, or if you have any other high-paying online jobs in mind, feel free to share below. So let's get started. We're going to do a countdown starting with number 10, which is becoming a live chat agent. Many large companies hire people to answer customer service requests via chat. Apple has a program where you can sign up to become an at-home advisor. By doing this, you become the first point of contact for people who need help or have questions. The greatest thing is that you can do this all from the comfort of your home. Plus, you can get paid pretty well. Number 9 is becoming a call center representative. Very similar to number 10, obviously. The reason I'm differentiating the two is because you can actually get paid a little bit more by being a call center representative rather than just being a live chat agent. Keep in mind, some companies require you to do both calls and chats. As we see the popularity of Zoom and video chatting increase, there will likely be a need for Zoom chat agents or video chat agents in the future. So this is another opportunity that you could potentially look at as the times continue to change. Number 8 is becoming a virtual sales representative. The world revolves around selling. Think about everything that you buy. As we continue the transition towards online selling, away from retail and a traditional brick and mortar store, becoming a virtual sales representative is only becoming more and more attractive. Just like all of these jobs, this is completely location independent. You can do this from anywhere in the world. Now, if you've never sold anything before, you probably have, you just don't realize it. For example, as a kid, you probably had to convince your parents at some point to buy you something, or when you were in school, you had to do a fundraiser where you had to go around selling stuff. While selling might not be for everyone, it could be a great opportunity if you're looking for a salary job, plus maybe earning some commission. There are companies looking to hire virtual salespeople all the time. Now, of course, it would help if you had some professional experience in the past, but if not, don't sell yourself short. Number 7 is becoming a content creator. Businesses employ content creators to engage new and existing customers on the brand's behalf. The demand is only going to increase. Think about all the different social media platforms that there are now, and think about all the different companies that are struggling to keep up. As a content creator, you would produce entertaining or educational material to a specific audience. This could be videos, photos, blog posts, infographics, and more. In addition to creating new content, you could be asked to repurpose old content and make it new again. For example, a company could ask you to take a blog post and turn it into an engaging video, or to take quotes from an article and create new graphics to post on a Facebook page. There's no one right way to go about doing this. Number 6 is becoming a SEO consultant. In case you don't know, SEO stands for Search Engine Optimization. As a consultant, you would analyze, review, and improve websites to help businesses gain more natural search engine traffic. Companies are willing to pay the big bucks in order to increase their visibility. Let's face it, Google runs the internet. Amazon is possible. thanks to Google. And ranking higher in the search results is really important in this day and age. Keep in mind, even though you don't need a degree for any of these jobs I've been mentioning, high demand skills are going to take some time to learn. The reward is definitely there because companies would rather pay someone to do these jobs rather than trying to figure it out on their own. Number 5 is becoming a social media manager. At this point, nearly every business recognizes the value of social media marketing. That's why companies are looking for highly motivated and creative individuals to manage their social media accounts. Some responsibilities include developing brand awareness, content management, strategizing campaigns, responding to comments, increasing traffic, and building up the brand's online reputation. Having good organization skills would help with this job. Having prior experience could also help, but it's not required. Number 4 is becoming a video editor or an animator. Obviously, becoming a video editor is pretty self-explanatory. All you need to do is figure out how to edit videos and then create a portfolio so that you can show off your work. Personally, I think there's even more opportunity with becoming an animator. Having something animated is just so professional, and a lot of companies want that high-class feel that animation gives. This is a really cool skill to learn. Of course, it's going to take some time. You need to figure out what kind of animations you want to do, what you want to focus on, and then companies can hire you for your services. Number 3 is becoming a website designer. Every company needs a solid website these days. Some of your responsibilities could include designing the layout, identifying technical problems, creating graphics. This is where being a graphic designer could come into play. Businesses want a website that looks good and works well. There are plenty of website builders out there. You've probably already heard of Wix, Squarespace, Shopify, and more. Which is nice because now you don't need to start from complete scratch. You don't need to know how to do all that crazy coding, but you will need to learn how to adapt and pick up new techniques. Number 2 is becoming a translator. Of course, it's pretty obvious you're going to be translating material into different languages, but it's also very important that you keep the same meaning, tone, and format. Other job responsibilities could include preparing subtitles for videos, online presentations, and proofreading. Now, you might think, couldn't artificial intelligence take away all translating jobs? We have Google Translate, which is getting really accurate. This sparks a very interesting conversation. However, these tools can't relate words to context. Some words have 2 different meanings. Therefore, machine learning will never be able to truly replace human translators. And number 1 is becoming an affiliate marketing manager. Now, you've probably heard about affiliate marketing, which is the process where affiliates earn a commission for marketing a company's products or services. It's a very popular way to spread brand awareness through word of mouth. Now, in order for a business to run a successful affiliate marketing program, they're going to need someone with some skill to take the lead. Some responsibilities include developing strategies to grow revenue, building relationships with affiliates, managing the affiliate software. You're basically running a business within a business, which is very interesting in my opinion. Since affiliate marketing in general usually takes place online, this is another location independent job that could potentially be a great opportunity for you. As promised, I have 2 bonus online business ideas that you could also consider pursuing yourself. The first one is becoming an online course creator. The world of online education is just getting started. The global e-learning market is projected to reach $325 billion by 2025. You could create courses about topics you love. Think about your talents, skills, and life experiences that you've been through. Make sure your course idea is something that has high demand. Are people talking about it? Are people asking questions about it? Is there a gap in the competition of what's already being offered? Create the course, market it, and you're on your way. Now again, this is going to take some work. I'm not saying this is easy. It's going to take some trial and error, hours and hours of research. But to help you out, I've actually already made a video on how to make an online course. So make sure you go ahead and check that out if you're interested in pursuing this. And my second online business idea is to start your own YouTube channel. Personally, this is what I'm doing. Clearly, you can see this channel. It's Bread Chasers. I'm here to help people. And I've been really just focusing my time on making this channel as great as I possibly can, trying to make it as engaging as possible. And perhaps if you've thought about starting a YouTube channel, my best advice is to just go ahead and get started right now. Things are not going to be perfect in the very beginning. If you have a cell phone with a camera, that's really all you need to get started. You don't need a super high quality camera or like a fancy lighting or whatever. You just go ahead and get started. That's my best advice. It's easy to say, harder to do, but I believe in you. If you found any value from this video, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe if you're interested in online business, personal finance, investing, and entrepreneurship. Again, I really appreciate all the support. Thank you so much for watching this video. I can't wait to see you in the next one. Peace.